Hello, worldwide. I'm only seeing good news today. It's good. It's good. EU's plan to rebuild Ukraine comes crashing down. You see, because the thing is not playing out as they expected, but it never does because these people do not have the right things in mind when they're doing these things. These people don't live in reality. They just know they want this done and they don't care about the casualties in between. Why should they? The US and the EU hyped up Zelensky to go into this war. It's not like that's America or the Europeans being affected by that. Money is still being made though. But that's the next one. But now there's a bunch of the EU. Now this is already been out already that a lot of the EU countries they're still doing business with Russia. That's not out there, but what is coming out now Hungary has pulled back. They were already opposing it and opposing doing business with EU because of the corona crisis. Yeah, then too they were supposed to all put into a pot to help out, but when it comes time for we to get back, yeah. And if we did something with you once and you didn't live up to your word, why should I trust you again? You know, finally they got some people in office, they got some, but these some need to really bring the real information to the people. Since these people like to come at your character anyway, hey, listen, tell the people so that the people know what you really up against, so that now they know your story from you yourself, and they're seeing what the media is saying. It's good to see that a lot of politicians is speaking, you know, and the countries like Jamaica where you're facing something. Now, even on the clip that I had took that from, they was comparing it with Sri Lanka. And that's why Sri Lanka also, because any place that tries to stand up on their own, they gets punished. That's the sanctions. Yeah, that's when you can't do business on none of that. But these countries, these leaders shouldn't give a damn what the EU or somebody that's off of your country says. You make a deal there with somebody else, like what Russia did. None of what they sanctions and all of that shit did anything. Why? Because Putin called up to other leaders himself and handled business.